So good day everyone. I am Alexandra Saranillo, the team leader of Plus One. On behalf of my team, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to our presentation. Allow me to introduce our beloved team members, Mr. Soriano as our information architect, Mr. De La Cruz as our UX UI designer, Mr. Decamon as our back-end developer, Mr. Brunyosa as our front-end developer, and Mr. Adesna as our content manager. It is a pleasure to have you all with us today, and we are excited to share our work with you. So our presentation will begin with Mr. Soriano, who will explain the sitemap, followed by Mr. Decamon, who will discuss the wireframes. After that, Mr. Adesna will provide further insight into the role of the content manager, and then Mr. De La Cruz will present the graphics, mock-ups, and design elements of our project. Finally, Mr. Bronyosa will handle the coding and technical development of our websites. So, Mr. Soriano, you may now begin presenting the sitemap.
Hello everyone, this is our website sitemap. At the top, may ano po tayong homepage, and after po ng homepage is we have 5 sections which is yung insight. Ang sa insight is, ang nakalagay po ron is yung frequently asked questions, terms and regulations, customer service, privacy policy, and your reviews. Next po naman is yung sa may subscription. Ang nakalagay naman po ron is yung upgrade or cancel, and yung subscription plans. Yung sa may subscription plans po is may free trial, monthly, and yearly. Next naman po is yung sa may library. Ang nakalagay naman po sa library is yung like songs, recently played, playlist, artist, podcast, album, and latest songs. And next is yung sa may account. Ang nakalagay naman po sa may account is yung profile and yung change password. And lastly is yung sa may register. Ang nakalagay naman po sa register is yung sign up and sign in. That's all po for our site map.
So let's move on to wireframes. So what is wireframes? Simple sketches that shows that structures and layout of website, app, or building. So mapansin nyo dito meron tayong homepage. Then sa baba ng homepage is meron tayong mga simple boxes na nakakaloob doon. So next nun, meron tayong library page. Sa library page, meron tayong home, library page, subscriptions, account. So, here's the playlist and artist. Mapapansin nyo naka-indicate na din dito yung artist name and yung title ng ginawa nilang song. And eto, next is yung subscription page. Parang subscription, tatlo. Pwede ka mag-upgrade ng subscription mo, pwede mo rin siyang i-cancel. Next is yung register page, which is yung mag-sign up ka or sign in ng account mo. Then last is yung account page. Dito mo makikita yung account mismo ng gumawa ng user. Last pala, admin page. Kung makikita yung dashboard ng mo, which is yung makikita mo yung logo and account ng ginawa ng user.
I'm Patrick Adesa. I'm the content manager. Where do I source content? Meron kaming direct partnership na ipag-collaborate kami sa artist para makuha yung mga exclusive tracks tas album sa mga music trends. Titingnan namin kung ano yung trending sa global charts tas kung ano yung mga madalas pakinggan ng mga user. What types of content do we provide? Meron kaming podcast and interview para sa mga gusto makinig ng mga kwento tas mga insights mula sa favorite artist nila.
So hello, I'm Matthew Sean De La Cruz, the UI UX designer in our group. We started creating graphics on September 8, 2024, and ang application na ginamit ko sa pag-design is Figma, PixArt, and Canva. Mockups namin para sa website. First is yung homepage. Makikita dito sa homepage yung brand name namin, which is yung Echo. And sa baba nung brand name, makikita dun yung tagline ng website namin. Then makikita din yung latest songs. Next is library page. Makikita naman dito yung like songs, recently played songs, playlists, artists, podcasts, and albums. Next, ito naman yung artist profile. Next is yung subscription page. Makikita dito yung mga plans and We provide 3 subscription plans para sa aming website and yung payment method makikita din do'n. Next naman is yung user account page. Makikita naman dito yung favorite songs and favorite artists ng user and yung sign in and sign up pages. And lastly is yung admin page. Yan.
So, thank you, Mr. Brunyosa, for sharing the code and the progress of our website. So, over the past few months, we have focused on creating a user-friendly sitemap, designing wireframes, and aligning the content with our goals. Each team members has contributed their expertise to ensure that every element is both functional and well-designed. We are still working to upgrade and improve the website so it can be easier to use and work even better. Thank you for listening and have a great day.